Okay, hello and welcome to this video. In this video I want to show you how you can connect a Windows share with a script in Linux. So you can use this to connect to your, for example, to your NAS system on demand if you need it. You can mount the Windows share with a script. You just run the script and you can unmount it if you don't need it. For example, if I'm on the road with my laptop, I sometimes need a connection to my home server here at home, but not all the time. Okay, let's get started. Okay, everything I describe here in this video is also available in this blog post, and here you can also find all the scripts we will be using. And the link is in the video description below. Okay, first we need to install some prerequisites. In our case, this is civ-utils. Usually, or very often, this is already installed, but let us check it if it's installed. So we just copy and run the command here. Hit enter. I have to enter my root password here, or my sudo password. And as you can see here, it's already installed. Otherwise, it would be installed with this command. Okay, now we need the mount script here. And you can just copy it here from our homepage. We will go through it in a minute. I copy it. And we will switch over here to a text editor. Let's close this file here. Close without saving. And paste it in here. And let's save it in here in our home folder, name mount.sh. Here we go. Now we got this wonderful syntax highlighting here. And the script is divided in several parts. The first one are the configuration variables. And this is a part we need to change later. The other parts, well, this is just a script creating the mount point directory, mounting the Samba share, and just output a message if this was successful or not. For the configuration, I will put in my information here. For example, I will enter my share address here. This is my address of my NAS server here at home. And the share name in my case is data center. And here the mount point, this is the location where this share will be mounted in. In my case, I just want to have it mounted here into my home folder. And so I will name it NAS. So basically what this does or should do is in my home folder here, it should create, if it not exists, a folder named NAS and mount this share into this folder here. We also have to put in the username and also the password. I will not do that here because, well, I want to hide my password, of course. But I click the save button and then we will switch over to the terminal and make the script executable. Okay, let's check the terminal. We type in ls and here's now our mount script, but it's not executable yet. So in our case, we just do a chmod here +x for executable and then mount.sh. Hit enter and now the mount script is now green, and if I run it, it now should connect and mount to my home server here and mount the Windows share. Let's do that. Here's some output. It creates the mount directory here in our home folder. As you can see here, there's now the NAS folder here and also here, which basically just created the folder. And if I go into it, I now see the content here of my Windows share, and I can access all the files and folders here. Okay, we have now mounted our Windows share. How do we unmount it? Okay, for unmounting, we have the unmount script here. It's also available here on the homepage, and I've already created a file here, unmount.sh, and it's the same procedure here. We have this configuration section here where we just put in our mount point here, and the rest is just unmounting the mount point and then give us a success or fail message here. We also need to make this script here executable. So again, chmod +x unmount.sh, and now I can run the script here unmount.sh, and as you can see here, now we went out of the folder here, and if I go in it, it's now empty. I can also, for example, delete it now here, and if I mount again, let's do that, the folder is recreated, and if I go in it, well, then I can access my Windows share, and now I can do also an unmount, and this basically removes the connection to the server here. And basically that's it. That's how you can mount and unmount a Windows share with a script on demand.